I'm your balloon twister, Giordano the Great, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really cool crocodile. I'm going to be using lime green, like kind of traditional crocodile, but it can also be dark green or any other color you want. Now take your pump and blow it up about halfway. So I'll show you about how much that is. Right about, take a little pinch off, tie it, and you can see it's about that much, so there's still about almost 2 hands, about 4 fingers and then another 2 or 3 after that, okay? And first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to give it a little squeeze and then run it through your hand 2 or 3 times and you're ready to start the crocodile. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to do its nose, okay? So it's actually little nostrils. So you want to do really small ones, about 1/2 to 3/4 inch bubbles like that. And you're going to want to do 2 of those. And you want them to be really close to the same size, of course, as you know. And then you're going to wrap the end here, the end right here, you're going to wrap that around the front and spin it a couple times and then tuck it through the inside so it's on there nice and good. Now those are basically the nostrils. Now we're going to do the mouth, so give it a squeeze and actually twist another one about the same size, just maybe just slightly a little, yeah, the same size. Twist it very well, and we're going to do a pinch twist. So pull it and turn it like that, and now we essentially have the nose of the crocodile like that. Okay, the mouth and nose. Give it a squeeze, and we're going to do the crocodile mouth like this. Then we're going to do 2 crocodile eyes. They're pretty small as well, so about the same size, just slightly about the same size as the nose, the nostrils. And try to get 2 of those the same size, of course. That's 2 of those, and then tie those together, making now the eyes. Now they don't even really have a neck, so we're just going to do a really small one, about a 3/4 inch, and then we're going to do the crocodile legs. So give it a nice good squeeze, and the legs are going to be about this size here, about 2.5, 2 to 2.5, maybe 2.5, I would say, I guess, because you're going to want them big enough to do the move, which is going to keep it from being, instead of like a dog, like that's very much like some weird poodle dog or something right now. It doesn't even look like anything really. So give it a squeeze, and now we're going to do the body. So the body of the crocodile is quite long, and then we're going to do another leg, so about the same, 2.5 there, another 2.5, and then twist it off, and now that'll be nice. So now we're looking like some kind of weird poodle dog with a long tail, but don't worry, it is going to look like a crocodile. So what we got to do now is we got to take the feet and we got to lift the feet in like that, and then turn them like that. Okay, so now we have the crocodile feet like that, instead of like a poodle dog one like that. You see the difference? So then we're going to take our other ones, open it up, and twist it on. And then we're going to tuck the tail in the end like that, so it's nice and flat there like that. And it has a nice long crocodile. And that is the crocodile. But what are we forgetting? We're forgetting the artwork. So what we can do is we can draw some little eyes. I'll draw the artwork and I'll be back with what I've done. And then now you have a crocodile. I drew the eyes, the teeth. There's already the nose and mouth, the teeth there and the eyes there. You can make it however you want. It can have a smile or just teeth and some eyes. You can design it however you want, and that's how you make the crocodile. And remember, you can learn all my balloon animals at balloonbro.com.